So bafethu ilanga lethu belimnandi lana eRockets eBryanston sihostwe iStandard Bank sihostwe ama former players nama fans bazobukela iderby between iderby imesh enkulu iderby iKaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates ephele nge1-1 iscore. First half I think I was not too happy ngeperformance ya both teams. I think woyithu ama team bewangayenzi rotate ibhola bese ngabona ama combination play. But sibonga kakhulu to Standard Bank to make this opportunity, available for the fans, especially to come and spend some memories with their former favorite players. Knowledge Ntwana, 1-1 score. What's your take on the game?
Honestly speaking, Ntwana, the derby did not live up to expectations. I was expecting fireworks. Looking at Ifomia, Orlando Pirates coming to this game, and also looking at Kaizer Chiefs form coming to this game. The score, I would say it's a fair reflection of the game because both teams did not perform according to what we were expecting, So for me now, I'm not excited. I'm not happy about the display, but yeah, it's a fair, in terms of result, it's a fair result.
Mina, I agree with you, but I think, in my view, if Chiefs approach this game with a defending mindset, Oguti, we must defend first and try and catch them in a counter. And omunye umuntu angati the approach here better because good derby mele yabona mele
open game.
Mele sibe open game. Nami during our time it was an open game. Stephen Kweleya ngale Jabukule ngale Joseph Makhanya Stiga Kweleya Stanton Fredericks ngapha, you understand? So iPirates iChiefs ngokuthi ithi mthethwa ifake umthethwa noMabuye noNdlovu same time ikubonisile ukuthi bekutshela ukuthi ayifuni ukuthi urile athole lesa space lesa as a number 10 ku Orlando Pirates because it's dangerous. And first
and not only urile Ntwana,
police. Even no police he also comes in, which I think Chiefs did that very well. But every side lithi but still ukudefender kusho ukuthi wena uzithembi bekumele iChiefs iqhubekile nga two central defenders uMabuye noNdlovu noMdu noLilepo noSilva yaqhubeka ngaloko. But wena what's your take? Mina ngibone nami kungasinto engichazayo ukuthi bese ngiapproach ukudefender, but ngicabanga ukuthi they know ukuthi okwamanje asikafiki kule level eOrlando Pirates. So we have to sisivale lesa space esakarile saka number 10 angayitholi lo space noma ngayenza kanjani once avala lapho, then maybe we have chances yokuthi when we create something then singababamba, and which
much as how they scored
and into eyenzakele vele babambe kanjalo. So when we bona kanjani, and I think here eyenze igame yangabi mnandi because the Chiefs now whenever they were so aggressive, very nice first half, and whenever they won the ball they couldn't use it. They couldn't use the lay pace as Shiwe Orlando Pirates might attack in terms of counter attack.
So let me break it down for you. You are spot on, Chavo. Kaizer Chiefs congested at midfield because they know with Urile no Police, they operate. Obviously, they are winger. They start from the wing play, but they cut inside. So what they did is they congested the midfield area, and then they know with the Perez, ba allow Usbilibila Kupuge, they allow Hocho with a Kupuge. But what they did is someone that would say, Mshambe Umori did not play. And then and the other guy Ulilepo or Utuba on the side did not play. But what those guys did, they kept Usbilibili at bay with Asalanga Kupuiga cool. So Paris, I think they did not have a plan B. When they can't play in those small areas, they have spaces. That's when the Pirates got confused. They did not know which Urile, where does he move now? You understand? So Kaizer Chiefs knew they wanted a draw or a win. Of which you win so they catch on the couch, and that's how the goal level came. And well done to Ntwana Utuba, brilliant composure, Ntwana. Really happy crowd Ntwana now we are with the game. There's no way we won in the composure so Ume. Meaning everyone we know was saying shoot. What relax umpano mncane. What a decision. perfect intwana encane ibonisa maturity. They got a goal, and for Kaizer Chiefs this is a good result for them, and I think for them you are winners namhlanje.
And after that, Bontwana, game on, ngithi ayi Chiefs mhlambe hayi manje izodefenda. 12 minutes later, 1-1. Take us through igoli lePirates. Equalize igoli.
Ntwana Ingham la cross, he won the ball perfectly so. He keeps on running with the ball. Ukijimelana ntwana ulwinile.
That extra time.
Yes, from the back ntwana uyalwina, get a chance lidlale. You can't run with the ball ntwana and have so many touches from area of defense to the progression area. Uloku ukijima nalo.
Mara abanye mdlala before uqedele abanye bangathi makune space they always say challenge.
Use the space.
Yeah.
Yes, but
Before
that's
you
where
release
the
the ball.
yeah, but for me, I think he had too many touches on the ball. From Laluine corner, he went in and in and in and in until by interceptor, and they played it where he was. And that's where Urile was smart enough to change a point of attack to the other side, and the rest is history.
Yeah, okay, beautiful goal. Uzamile Sanu Peterson nomalubusele.
Man of the match for me.
Nomalubusele phakathi egamini.
Yeah.
Beautiful anticipation from the Orlando Pirates. 1-1, and lapho Orlando Pirates was all over Kaizer Chiefs. And I think for me now, in terms of Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates will be more disappointed, of course, in results, and then Kaizer Chiefs will take this.
It's a win for them.
Yeah, yeah. Even if not, it's not a win,
Yeah.
but they will still take this point. It's a big point.
It's a big point.
For them to also stabilize number 3 laphayana. Hayi ntwana, igame yanamhlanje at least I was expecting more goals, but isinikeze 1-1. So uthini wena ntwana? Do you think Hugo Bros will be happy with potential players angaba selector the likes of Mthamba Bomdu, because people are talking about Mdu has been doing well, which I think he's been doing well. I know ukuthi unokumbiza unokuba khona squatting, but to trust him, you know, do you think, and the players laba abakubafana already, do you think bona ba perform to the par?
For me, Nantwana, I feel good. I'm a game so that's where they show you caliber yakho as a player. So Umtu did not rise up to the occasion. As Bonisa Guti Upete. He played according to my instructions, a conservative game. Mara for Uprus for me. Na Umuto Pagamise Sandla Gule game le or Peterson.
Thank you, Bafetu. Fair results. Sizo enjoy Freedom Day kamnandi kungekho khwepho munye. Siyabonga Bafethu. Happy Freedom Day. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis shuffling Tiski Ringasi. Siyabonga Bafethu. Danko Rockets, Branston, Standard Bank. We out.
Adios.
Adios.
Say Valentona.